Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into top 9 must-have camping gadgets, showcasing some of the most practical and innovative tools for outdoor enthusiasts. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 9. Folding cutlery. This multifunctional portable tableware is a camper's dream. With a knife, fork, spoon, and bottle opener all in one compact design, it's perfect for saving space in your backpack. Crafted for durability and ease of use, this tool is ideal for preparing meals on the go. Its lightweight build ensures that it won't weigh you down during your outdoor escapades. Whether you're having a campsite feast or a quick snack, this handy cutlery set will come to your rescue. Number 8. Camping chairs. The One Tigress portable camping chair is the epitome of convenience and comfort. Designed with a camouflage color, it blends seamlessly with nature, while its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. Whether you're relaxing by the campfire, fishing, or enjoying a barbecue, this chair provides a sturdy and comfortable seat. Lightweight yet robust, it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a versatile addition to your camping gear. Number 7. Tactical backpack. The Molly Tactical Backpack Carabiner is a must-have for organizing and securing your gear. Made from durable nylon and hardware, this practical ABS snap D-ring clip is designed for versatility. With dimensions of 5.5 centimeters by 3.7 centimeters, it's compact yet strong enough to hold essentials. Available in mud, black, wolf brown, and gray-green, it's perfect for adding a touch of tactical functionality to your setup. Number 6. Wearable Cape. The Moby Garden Wearable Cape serves as a multi-purpose sleeping bag, quilt, and cape. This warm and portable camping essential is made from high-quality cotton, ensuring maximum comfort during chilly nights. It's perfect for staying cozy around the campfire or inside your tent. Its wearable design offers the freedom to move while keeping you snug, making it a fantastic companion for outdoor adventures. Number 5. Rescue Kit. The Rhino Rescue IFAC Trauma Kit is an essential addition to your emergency preparedness. Compact yet comprehensive, this tactical medical pouch includes critical survival tools for treating injuries during outdoor adventures. Whether you're hiking, camping, or traveling, this first aid kit ensures you're ready to handle unexpected situations. Its rugged design is built for durability, making it a dependable choice for safety-conscious campers. Number 4. Camping Lantern. The telescopic lantern is an ingenious lighting solution for campers and hikers. With a powerful 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this lantern also functions as a power bank for charging devices. Its brightness and color temperature are adjustable to suit various environments. Compact and lightweight at just 400 grams, it's easy to carry around. Waterproof with an SOS mode and a strong magnetic base, it's perfect for lighting up campsites, fishing trips, and emergency roadside situations. Number 3. Camping Gas Burner. The Fire Maple Gas Burner is a compact and efficient cooking system for outdoor enthusiasts. With a 2200-watt power output and a 0.8 liters aluminum pot, it's capable of boiling water quickly. This system includes a stove with an igniter, a neoprene insulator, and a transparent lid with a rubber handle. The folding handle design and compact storage make it an excellent choice for motorcycle adventurers and backpackers alike. Number 2. Camping Mug. The 200 milliliter outdoor camping mug is both practical and stylish. Made from stainless steel with a double wall insulation, it keeps your beverages at the right temperature. The carabiner handle design allows you to easily clip it to your backpack, saving space and making it ideal for climbing or trekking. Its sturdy build and smooth surface ensure safety and comfort during use. This mug is a must-have for enjoying hot coffee or cold drinks in the great outdoors. Number 1. Gas Lantern. The Fire Maple Orange Lantern is perfect for creating a warm, romantic ambiance at your campsite. Made from anodized aluminum, stainless steel, and borosilicate glass, this lantern is lightweight at just 140 grams. Its adjustable valve allows you to control the brightness, making it ideal for different settings. Compatible with isobutane fuel and propane canisters, this lantern is a reliable and elegant lighting option for any camping trip. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.